Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel, MKK The Daily Pulse, your one-stop shop for news from around the world. Alright, let's get into it. India needs a whopping 340 runs to win this match on day 5 at the Melbourne Cricket Ground. Australia finished their second innings at 234 runs. Steve Smith was amazing, scoring 140 in the first innings, and Marnus Labuschagne got a solid 70 in the second. And we can't forget Pat Cummins. He gave India a really hard time, taking 4 wickets and scoring a helpful 41 runs. But the real bummer for India was that last wicket partnership between Nathan Lyon and Scott Boland. They added 61 runs and really annoyed the Indian bowlers. Now let's talk about India. Jasprit Bumrah was the star, taking 5 wickets for only 57 runs. He also reached a big milestone, 200 test wickets. Way to go, Bumrah. Mohammad Siraj also bowled well, getting 3 wickets for 70 runs. And a big shout out to Nitish Reddy for his awesome century in the first innings, 114 runs. India started day 5 badly, losing 3 wickets for only 33 runs before lunch. Rohit Sharma, Rahul and Virat Kohli all got out early. With Kohli gone, it's looking really tough for India. The series is tied at 1-1, and everyone is super excited for the last test match in Sydney on January 3rd. Can India chase down these 340 runs in Melbourne? It's going to be a nail-biter. Thanks for watching. See you next time with more updates. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Pimp MKK signing out.